It's A. A for apple. A for ant. A for axe. It's B. B for ball. B for baby. B for boy. It's C. C for car. C for cake. C for cat. It's D. D for dad. D for dog. D for drum. It's E. E for elephant. E for egg. E for ear. It's F. F for flower. F for fish. F for frog. It's G. G for girl. G for goose. G for grapes. It's H. H for horse. H for hat. H for hen. It's I. I for ink. I for ice cream. I for insect. It's J. J for joker. J for jam. J for jug. It's K. K for kite. K for key. K for kennel. It's L. L for lamp. L for light. L for lion. It's M. M for monkey. M for mango. M for milk. It's N. N for nest. N for nurse. N for 9. It's O. O for orange. O for owl. O for onions. It's P. P for pineapple. P for parrot. P for panda. It's Q. Q for queen. Q for quilt. Q for question mark. It's R. R for red. R for rose. R for red. It's S. S for sun. S for star. S for spoon. It's T. T for tiger. T for telephone. T for thumb. It's U. U for umbrella. U for uncle. U for urn. It's V. V for violin. V for vase. V for van. It's W. W for water. W for woman. W for wall. It's X. X for X-ray. X for Xmas tree. X for xylophone. It's Y. Y for yak. Y for yo-yo. Y for yellow. It's Z. Z for zebra. Z for zoo. Z for zero.